Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing an easy vegetarian chili recipe. I'm going to start off by dicing one small green bell pepper, one small red bell pepper, and chopping up some onion. I do chop my onion pretty weird, I think, in my opinion, but I really like it because I do not like big chunks of onion in my chili or my food, so this gives me finely chopped onion every time. I'm going to be adding my veggies to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to season them with pepper and salt. And I'm going to cook these down until they're a little soft and the onions are translucent. Once that has cooked down a bit, I'm going to be adding 2.5 to 3 cups of cooked and drained lentils. I'm going to be adding some chili seasoning to this mixture, and then I'm going to add 1 can of pinto beans and 1 can of chili beans. I'm also going to be adding some frozen corn, and this is going to give our chili some sweetness. Next, I'm also going to be adding 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and I'm going to be mixing this and adding cayenne pepper. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, and this is going to help cut down the acidity from the tomatoes, and 1 cup of water. Once this cooks down, you are ready to go, my friend. You can serve this with some cheese, garnish it with some cilantro or parsley, and eat it with a side of cornbread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.